Let me show you several different ways how you can charge your new iPad 11. Inside the box, when you open the box, in some countries you might find your charger adapter over here. But for example, if you are in Europe, basically we do not get the charger brick over here, and only we get this like Type-C cable. So a pretty nice braided cable. So why they are not including, it's probably to sell you a charger, I guess. So, and if you want to charge your iPad, essentially what we need to do is simply use this cable, or again any other Type-C cable. So again, you can use any other basically Type-C cable to charge your iPad. And then on the bottom over here you see you have this Type-C. So again, this uses Type-C and not the old Lightning. So then you can connect it, and basically the other end we can pretty much plug in anywhere where we have like Type-C plug. For example, you can also charge it from your computer as well if you want. Or again, you can simply get one of these adapters that you plug in your wall, and then you can simply plug in and start charging your iPad essentially. And there are several different ways how you can also charge your iPad. First, if you are wondering if your iPad actually has wireless charging, then nope, you can't use wireless chargers on this iPad. Also, it doesn't have MagSafe, so also you can't use MagSafe accessories. For example, if you get one of these wireless power banks that works on iPhones, then you can't really use it on your iPad essentially. But again, this can also be charged, for example, from your car as well. So if you get one of these car adapters, and simply plug in your car essentially. Or also we can use power banks as well to charge your iPad. For example, here I have Charge 170 power bank essentially, and this has got 24,000 milliamp hours. So you can power your iPad using this for extremely long time. And when it comes to the charging speeds, I'm getting roughly 25 watts. So once it reaches around 70% essentially, then the charge rate drops down a bit to like 20 watts. And yeah, so again, this power bank, for example, can output 170 watts at the same time and can power like various devices at the same time. Also, this can even like power MacBooks as well. So this is again one of the most high-end and best power banks on the market. So I'll leave a link where you can get that. Also, you can use one of the smaller power banks as well. So again, for example, this is 10,000 milliamp hours, so again much more portable, but again we can only use it, basically the speeds are lower, and again capacity also is lower. But as you see, if I plug it in, also my iPad charges. And also what's good is we can charge it basically from pretty much any power bank, this iPad essentially. Whereas maybe if you want to charge a MacBook, it will only work from a power bank like this, which actually supports laptops, MacBooks and stuff like that, so also with high output. But again, these can be charged also from lower end like power banks. Again, I have this Charge power bank here as well, so again 10,000 milliamp hours. It's also cheaper, and if you also want to charge your iPhone wirelessly with this, so you can stick on your iPhone, this also is pretty darn good. So I'll leave a link where you can get this. By the way, also you can use your MacBook charger as well to charge it. So again, it doesn't really matter where you plug in. So for example, MacBook chargers also have very good output. So yeah, basically these are some various ways how we can charge our iPad. I do hope eventually they also bring in the MagSafe for the iPads, hopefully in the next generations. But again, on the go, probably your best bet is a decent power bank with decent capacity, like one of these essentially. Anyway, good luck.